sanibona ngiyanibingelela nonke igama uDumi Costard angifuni sibe serious kakhulu bafethu ngifuna sixoxeni singabi serious kakhulu imidlalo le besoyilalela singabi serious akuliwa balekile ukuthi maintain peace at all times. So we all know, I think we all know what's going on, or I will brief you guys just to put you it's in only English because yeah, but to put you okay, so firstly I think I want to address to say this. To send a word of an apology and I feel for these people, my sponsors as well as SABC who's broadcasting Izolo. I feel that Lente and Zagili Izolo, they did not deserve to go through Leandro Leana because they've invested Leandro in the tournament. They've spent their monies to make sure things go accordingly for us. Secondly, I want to apologize to Abantu Basitakane and all the people that came. I think Kono Mamozik Minawati Upuma Elisutu. She only came for the tournament. Ngoba etuzo buga. Ukuthi ke gcina kwenzeka ngalendlela ekwenzeke ngayo akukho right. So ngiyafuna uku-acknowledge futhi ngixolise kulabo bantu ukuthi mhlambe kugcine sebe affecteka ngezinto ezenzeka ngaphakathi. Okay, let's get into the issues. Let's get into indaba ke bafethu. So that sonke si understand ukuthi kwenzakaleni la. Okay. So mina bafethu anginawo uWhatsApp. I do not have WhatsApp. Angutand WhatsApp. But because of the tournament and the preparations were demanding as a captain, captain we gospel ngabekwa ibona abafowethu kwi gospel kwathiwa angibe ucaptain. As a captain we gospel, I had a responsibility to represent abafowethu even on WhatsApp. So ngahamba ngajoin WhatsApp. Kuyakhulunywa ke, that is where everything is communicated. Kubala ama rules ukuthi ama rules kwenzakalani, yini engavumelekile, mangaka ama player avumelekile, mangaka ama player angavumelekile. So throughout the last 2 weeks we were communicating ku WhatsApp with regards to our interviews that we had on radio stations, ama bookings, ama flights for me to go to Joburg ngegu SABC1. I paid for myself to support the initiative yenziwa abafowethu. Ngayikhokhela mina ama flights wami and namanje that money hasn't been refunded to me, and it's not an issue. I'm not making it an issue. But it was for me to support the initiative. I had no issues because nami ngiyalithanda ibhola, ngumdlali webhola, and I wanted to be part of this as well. So bafowethu ku WhatsApp izinto besiyikhuluma ama interviews, the schedule, some interviews bayasendela on WhatsApp. Ubaba Sipho Sithole was communicating with us, all those things. Then when it comes to the tournament itself, Agone tournament I think kwabukuyi idea kaKhuzani ikakhulukazi, because even namanje he's the one apparently who poured out imali to make sure ukuthi the tournament goes on. Kwakuyi idea kaKhuzani nethimba lakhe. Ibona labo bantu ekuyibona ababeka ama rules. Ibona, I was not involved kuma rules. Mina, I came to represent iTeam Gospel from last year. Okay, asiqaleni ke kule issue last year before siqhubeke. Kwi-issue last year sahamba ezi-gospel sahamba sayodlala sacela abantu ama-artist amaningi because lanto kufuneka ama-faces aziwayo. So you would want to have abo Benjamin Dube, abo Mamhlengwe Mhlaba, every face ye-gospel that is known by people iyona efunakalayo lapha. So last year sahamba sayodlala masifika, or before that sacela ama-artists communicate nama-artists we're going to play. Siyacela ukuthi nisjoyine. We have a WhatsApp group. Sizovumelana, we will train sonke, and then bese siyakhetha abantu okuyibona abazohamba udlala savumelana. Nathi besino WhatsApp wethu as a gospel group, as ama-artist gospel. Saqala sajima bafika abafowethu abanye base Eastern Cape bajima bodwa, abase Goli bajima bodwa, abase Mpumalanga bajima bodwa. And then sahamba sodlala last year. But now kuna bafowethu mina bengade vele sengibazi ukuthi badlala ibhola. Abafana ngacela abafana babathandwa baculi acapella, ngacela abafana be NUZ abaculi acapella, sahamba nabo sayodlala i-tournament ngoba babe nelento esidingayo for us to be able to compete at a high level. You understand? So we're going to play a tournament. So safaka abafowethu savumelana bayacula. Umthetho wawuthi as long as umuntu ecula ekhona somewhere kwi-album ungakwazi ukumkhomba uthi nangu sibanibani kwi-cover ethile i-album, uvumelekile lo muntu ukuthi angahamba yodlala. Savumelana thatha ama-player sahamba sayodlala last year. Last year there was no player. Ngibazwile uBig Zulu bethi na last year nalethi abadlali kwangomela abadlali ayikho lonto. Big Zulu, they don't follow umculo gospel ngoba bawubukela phansi. They don't listen to amanye ama-genres. I doubt ukuthi you would ever know ukuthi yini NUZ a cappella. So it's no surprise ukuthi uBig Zulu doesn't know abadlali bam the gospel because akayilandeli gospel. So mabethi gospel ya cheater, that is not true. Ukhuzane is my witness. Ngathumela wonke abadlali, ngafaka ithombe ngaze ngayifaka la ku Facebook. Bathi bona hayidumu uyachaza. Ngabe ngithi mina ngichazi nithe ama rules athi fakani abadlali abavumelekile abaculi gospel ongabathola kwi-album. That is what I did. I followed ama rules last year. Namanje nginganiprovela nginifakele same players, but last year are the same players abadlali this time around. Those same players, but manje bona babelindele ukuthi thina sofika namakhehla. Na into yabacasula babelindele ukuthi sofika namakhehla sizocompete ngamakhehla. Unfortunately, that was not the case. Kwasho ukuthi kunabantu abakwazi ukudlala ibhola abacula igospel saya nabo. So sawina ke last year ba complain on the side, but it's barobile, but it was not a big issue. So aina out yaphela. This year again we salanda the same players besidlala ngabo last year. Sabese siya add. Ngifuna ukucacisa lokho ngoba ngifuna bengazuthi mhlambe mina ngiyixoki. Ngifuna ukucacisa yonke into bafethu. Sithathe abadlali esibaziyo sahamba nabo sawodlala nabo after sizwile ukuthi kune team thizeni elande ama professional players, but because ama rules athi labo bantu bethu kumele kube ukuthi bayacula, sabafaka abafowethu baba amagidangoma. Igidangoma yilo muntu odansa emva kwethu ukuthi must dance igidangoma ngokwelanguage yakumaskanda. Sabalanda bafethu bafika badansa kwingoma zethu. I think bebeba u2-3 esibalandini, but into esenzile senze show ukuthi asibafaki on the starting lineup. Bona bebefuna nduna bebethusile befuna sifake uma Mhlengiwe bebefuna sifake uma Rebecca ufuna sifake oSipho Makhabane angeke sitshelo ibona ukuthi kumele sifake ba as long as it's comply nama rules. Okay, so this year sahamba nabadlali and bese sizwile ukuthi igqom lipikile, bese sizwile ngoba coach wabo ubaba kaSithabiso ebengidlala naye mina kwiDebon Pioneers ku Vodacom. So bangitshela bathi igqom lipikile. Sathi ke nathi because last year abasilalelanga igqom lalipike abadlali abawu6 last year. Sathi ke this year sizothatha nathi abadlali sizohamba nabo noma singabafakanga ku lineup sizohamba nabo sicuphe ngabo in case bafaka labadlali babo nathi siyabafaka. Okay, so on WhatsApp ke this year sesiyavumelana. Okay, bafethu athina ama rules bawathumela ama rules bawafunda ama rules basifundela wona. Sathi okay, so umthetho uthi kuvumeleke ukuthi kudlale i-player e-professional noma ex-professional player eyodwa 1. The rest kumele kube ukuthi abantu abaculayo. Igqom alulandelanga lo mthetho. Igqom beku DJ Tira ku Gold Max lo wela majida la acula konje thini group yabo ngiyakhohlwa manje, but uGold Max bafeni yamazi uGold Max bekuyibona bobabili kuphela abantu abaculayo, bona kuphela abantu abaziwayo abaculayo. And okhuzane they kept on saying umthetho uthi kumele kudlale abantu abaziwayo kusho umthetho, but kwigqom bekudlala uTira no Gold Max kuphela. I-gospel we had uJumbo, we had uThina, we had uDumi Mkokstad, we had uLungelo, we had uPuleng Match umuntu wesifazana bekumele adlale. And then i-left back bekunoNathi, uNathi ucula ne-NUZ voices, kuno Dlamini ngaka right ucula ne-NUZ uyacula. E-backline bekhona uRasta igida ngoma likaLungelo, kube sekubakhona uThami uyacula une-album une-single ekhona kuma iTunes. That was our lineup. We followed the rules. The only professional player, ex-professional player besinayo is the goalkeeper ebesivimbe ngayo epalini. Wayidlala ku Vodacom. Uyena umuntu obekade ex-professional player laphaya. We followed ama rules. So Big Zulu mabethi gospel irobile bafuna nje ukuthi bafethu bekhona into kuzoba ngazo uthi nathi khona into wrong esiyenzile. Big Zulu ke akamlalela omunye umuntu. Mina bese ngimbonile bengingasamnaki nokumnaki. Big Zulu I think yabona lento kuba owner yenkabi records basho nje ukuthi yonke into oyishoyo kumele kuhanjwe ngayo. Unfortunately ke laphaya sonke we are captains and we represent our teams and kumele si protect ama teams wethu. Okay, singidlule. So bafowethu ama rules abekwa kwasho ukuthi rule number 1 2 3 3 1 4 4 4 awenzeki. One of the first rules uthi every team must have a female player. Female player. Number 2, that female player must not play anything less than 10 minutes. Umuntu wesifazane must not play anything less than 10 minutes. So, izolo uTira uthi yena bazamile ukufaka umuntu wesifazane thina sangamnqaba. Yes, uqinisile sinqabile ukuthi bamfake because bamfake sekusele 4 minutes kwi-game. That is why we refused. Sathi angeke nikwazi ukumfaka sekuyi waste. We will file a complaint anyway, whether siyawina noma siyaluza, we will file a complaint because you are not following ama rules. Number 2, bekune team sheet. Anginandawo noma Big Zulu ngibukela anginandawo. Number 2, igama lentombazane belingekho kwi team sheet. I-rule ithi umuntu wesifazane kumele abhalwe phansi. Kube ukuthi in fact all ama players azodlala kumele abhalwe phansi. umalume didn't have umuntu wesifazane ku team sheet yabo. So we cannot ngiyabafowethu sidlala amanye amadoda nathi samadoda. We cannot sivume lonto. And then lastly, after ke kade seqalile ke sekubangwa lapha number 1, uBig Zulu bene issue noMaskandi. uBig Zulu ufake umuntu obengekho ku team sheet ku team yakhe. And uKhuzane wafile a complaint ukuthi nifake umuntu ongamela adlale. Bavumelana bobabili. uBig Zulu wahamba yokukhuluma noKhuzane, bavumelana bobabili ukuthi okungcono bazothatha ifine. Hayi ukuthi ba disqualify bakhishwe, okungcono bazothatha ifine. It was their agreement bodwa eceleni. iGqom ya decide ukuthi izofaka abadlali, ufika izolo, uThami, uSimi, Usimi, I think ya Usimi. Kube uNkonzo, kube istriker sabo okwakumele esasidlala for i-national team under 20 yala eSouth Africa. Lo muntu labo bantu bengamele badlale. Bekumele idlala oyedwa wabo. But kudlala abantu abawu5. 5 people played. Players, professional players, abantu abadlala ibhola 5. Kube sekuba ulomjitho odlala eCenter. Umnandi kakhulu ke lo mjitho udlala ibhola ke la out la. Bathe yena ngazi ukuthi uya producer or something. And then the other guys laba abanye akuna proof. Oh, no goalkeeper weGqom. Naye he's a professional player. I had a conversation naye, washo naye wavuma ukuthi uyi professional player. Ngamtshela futhi ngani ngiyakwazi uyi professional player wena. You shouldn't be playing. But bafethu because besifuna ukuthi kudlalwe kube mnandi. Ngicele mina i-meeting no DJ Vu. Angazi noma uDJ noma uyini lo mchitha. Ngicela i-meeting naye ngathi mfowethu ngoba niza nama player angithanda ukuthi kube ngazuthi mhlambe kuyaliwa, akuliwa la sizodlala. Ngicela ukuthi sihlangane before i-game sivumelane sinawo ukuthi nizofaka ama player amangaki kulama player awakho awu11 enize nawo. Sahlangana noVu sathi siyakhuluma, uVu wathi yena ngeke azatshelwe yithina ukuthi akenzeni. Kwi-meeting ebesizozama ukuthi silungise lawo ma-issues. Mase bangena egroundini 6 or 7 players ebebedlala were not supposed to be playing. We didn't make that an issue. Saqhubeka sadlala. So games we scored first, bakava, mind you, players. and bese kuba uTira no Gold Max. Saqhubeka sadlala kunjalo because besingafuna ukukhoza idrama. Ngishilo bafethu ngathi noma ngathiwa uBig Zulu ungibukele la angine ndaba. Noma ngathiwa ungibukele angine ndaba. Okay. Okay, so lastly kwaba i-issue yentombazana. Mase siqeda igame, ocoach bami bayangibiza bathi wedume. iGqom limfakanga umuntu osifazane egroundini. So we need to file a complaint. Sihambisa. Okay. Savumelana no coach, mina ngahamba ngaye committee ye cup. Ngafika ngathi bafowethu iGqom ayilandelanga imithetho. Simple. Ngokomthetho ye competition iGqom is supposed to be disqualified. Yathi i-committee yaphuma i-ruling. They went and baba ne meeting no coach. Kwaphuma i-ruling ethi iGqom is disqualified. Naye into engifuna ni understand bafowethu. I-committee le cup likhiphe i-ruling ethi iGqom has been disqualified. iGospel is supposed to play i-final ne hip hop. And the only reason we're playing against hip hop is because uBig Zulu no Khuzane babe ne agreement yabo bobabili ukuthi even though uBig Zulu breakile ama rules, uKhuzane no Maskandi they are okay with ukuthi uMaskandi hip hop iqhubeke ihambe yodla ifinal. Thina as iGospel uTira bathe nabo bacela ukuthi sibafine. Ngathi mina cho. Asifune fine, asifune kufaka fine umuntu. Thina we want to go and play final. That is the issue ke manje. Ingakho ke manje sekuthiwa mina nginenkani hey nginenkani. No. Hayi kaba mfethu asili namuntu. Angili namuntu. Mina ngilandela umthetho. Umthetho utheni? Uma kuwukuthi you don't follow rules, you will lose the game by 2-0. And then, which means ukuthi iGospel would go and play final. Simple. I stuck to the rules. So abantu ke manje into engayithandi la abantu abathi hayi nani last year naropa asirobanga last year. Uma futhi ukuthi nithi angikhiphe i-team eyadlala last year ngizoyikhipha ngiyiposte la niyibone yonke, ngifake izithombe zama album bonke nibabone nase groupini ku WhatsApp. I did the same thing. Ngingakwenza namanje lokho. Manithi nje go ngiphakathi. So leya last year nje akuyona nje reason ukuthi oBig Zulu bangacasha ngayo umbhedo loyo. Umbhedo ayikho nje lonto. Last year sadlala i-team ekumele idlale, bona babefuna sifaka amakhehla, sifakanga ngamakhehla. Safaka izintwana ezikwazi ukudlala ibhola zabaxaka kuphela. So this year iqomo labona ukuthi ayingeke sifuna ukuphaya back laqasha abadlali lazo rob, which was not an issue. The issue is the fact that umuntu wesifazane ebekumele adlala kadlalanga. Simple. Ayikho ke into esingayenza abafethu. Badlalanga umuntu wesifazane ama-rules athi bekumele adlale and bekumele iGospel kube yona iya final. So ke I think the one thing engithanda ukuyisho nje again is to apologize to my sponsors and to apologize to abantu baseTsakane who came, SABC1 as well, Andile Ncube. He was really stressed. I could see what he was stressed by the whole thing because it was supposed to have been on TV, and it takes a lot for SABC1 to go and cover Intefana Nalea. I think in that aspect, I would fully find it in my heart to apologize to everyone who was involved and everyone who was affected by that. But as per abafethu ekuyibona ababhala ama rules bangawafollow, ayi kodwa bafethu angeke ngivume lonto. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyacela ukuthi ningisharele le video nakulabo abanye abangayibonanga bayibone, bazi ukuthi umthetho wethu, we wanted to follow our rules and we followed our rules to the T. So we cannot be blamed for anything eyenzekile izolo. Ayikabi. Asilu namuntu, sabazalwane futhi, and we maintain that with sabazalwane. And we are standing together as a team, team Gospel. We are standing together and saying ukuthi we were supposed to play final, and osbanban babona ukuthi ke bona kumele kwenzeke izinto ngendlela yabo, even though ukuthi they didn't follow my rules. uNkulunkulu anibusise bafethu, niphile, have an amazing day. Ngiyanithanda nonke. Izobonana maduze. Bless up.